Hi there, guys. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your business. So today's video is all about talking about dreaming big. Do you dream big? Do you have big dreams or not? When it comes to your business, you need to be dreaming big. You need to think bigger. I find most of the time we're too scared to dream. We're too scared to think bigger. But how are you going to achieve big things if you don't even dream of big? Because if you don't dream big, you're going to be limiting yourself. You're going to be limiting your income potential because you don't see yourself earning those big numbers, right? So what are you going to do if you're not thinking big? You're going to limit the way you come up with your goals. You're going to limit the amount of effort you're going to put into your business. So you have to think big all the time. Somebody said, I can't remember who it is, but someone came up with the saying which says, if your dreams do not scare you, you're not dreaming big enough, right? So think about it. If your dreams do not scare you, you're not dreaming big enough. So the dreams that you have, the goals that you have, if they're not scaring you, if you're not thinking, oh my gosh, how am I going to achieve this? Oh my gosh, this is too big, then they're not big enough. Meaning you need to come up with goals that are really big. You have to dream big so that you'll be able to achieve bigger things. Think about it. If you're thinking of just dreaming to make $1,000, your actions are just going to be the actions that get you $1,000. But if you were to dream bigger, your actions will give you those bigger results that you're looking for as well, because you're going to be knowing that you have to get more inventory, so that you'll be able to have big sales, right? And you have to hire people to help you out and all this stuff, right? So it gives you something to focus on and push towards too, right? Because there's nothing much fun than crushing your goals. Each milestone will be like, oh, that was easy. Oh, you'll be like, oh, reaching 1,000, that was easy. Now we can go for 10,000. Then when you reach 10,000, you'll be like, oh, that was easy. Now we can go for 100,000, right? Then you just keep on going and going and going, right? It becomes more exciting when you start dreaming big and achieving those goals, right? Because now you keep on dreaming bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So guys, you have to dream big. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. Dream big. And what is the worst thing that could happen? You might not achieve your goals, right? But it's okay. That means you have actually done something and got a little bit closer to that goal, right? And there's another saying about somebody else again. I need to remember who says all these sayings so that I'm able to reference them back, right? But someone says something about, oh, it's better to shoot for the stars, even if you miss it says something about, oh, you have to shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you land among stars. Something like that. But I was like, oh wow, that's really good. They were aiming to shoot for the moon, but even if they miss, they land among the stars, right? Which is still high up there, right? You're not landing onto the ground. So why not, right? If you aim even further like that, even if you don't make it, let's say you aim to hit 100,000, right? That's your biggest scary goal. Even if you miss it and you make 10,000, that's much better than someone who aimed for 10,000 and made 1,000, right? You've made more. So why not dream big? So I just wanted to encourage you guys, because I was just thinking, as we start a new month, right? I usually like to sit down and plan out my month to see what are the goals for the month, what I'm hoping to achieve, right? And then I'll be like, oh, this goal is really an interesting goal. I would like to hit this. But start evaluating, like, oh, does it really scare me to reach this? Then when I say, oh, this is easy to hit, then it's not really big goal, right, that I'm setting up. So that's when I was just thinking of it. I'm like, how many people are limiting themselves from going for their wildest dream? And they're just thinking, dreaming small only, and setting small goals because they're limiting themselves. It could be some limiting beliefs that they have, right? Which is preventing them from going for their dreams because they feel like they're not worthy to make that much of money, right, in their business, or they're too scared, or whatever it is that's holding back. But if it is you, if you have all those things, it's time to let all those goes and dream big and go for it. Go for it, because you can only get those results by going for it. So I hope you start dreaming big, you start making plans, get towards your big dreams, and start taking action towards those big dreams of yours, right? Because if you don't, your actions and steps are not gonna be those that will take you to those higher grounds, higher goals that you want, right? So start planning it out and you'll be able to get the results that you want when you start dreaming big. And if you haven't started planning your month, I do have a master class that teaches you on how to plan out for your month, for your business goals, that I'll leave the link below in the description so that you can check it out and see if that'll help you coming up with your goals for the month for yourselves. I hope you found this video useful and you like it. Please share with others that might find this video useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.